Hi, I'm Milan Perry of So Natural Well Wellness and of the Chic Women Don't Diet program, and welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't had an opportunity to subscribe just yet, then go on and click the bell and let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about living healthy over 40 and thriving in your 40s during those menopausal years. I want to empower you as a woman over 40 with building your self-care habits to dining like a French woman, but a chic woman, living a healthy lifestyle so you can feel more confident in your skin. So the best way to thrive during menopause is definitely organization, and I can't emphasize this enough because when I think about organization, especially for the menopausal woman, I'm thinking about something that would allow you to thrive in menopause, mind, body, and spirit. The reason that this is so important because during menopause, our emotions are off, so it's really important that we're understanding what it takes to thrive during menopause. The second thing you definitely want to make sure you have is a really good plan. So having a game plan, that's having a really successful menu. So think about right now, as you're going throughout the rest of this week, what do you need to thrive? Because what I need to thrive, what another woman needs to thrive may not be exactly what you need to thrive. So think about what exactly is it that you need to thrive. What are the foods that make you thrive? What are the foods that make you not feel so good, make you feel bloated, make you feel irritable, make you feel sluggish? So start to think about those foods. And then if you dine out often or pre-COVID dined out a lot, think about what are the cuisines that you really love and what are the spices that make those cuisines so unique. Many of the spices that a lot of different cuisines use help to boost our immune. They are anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. So you definitely want to make sure that you're eating the right foods with the right spices and the right herbs and adding them at the right moment. What are the foods that will allow you to fit into your clothes? We hear so much on the news about what to eat, what not to eat. But when you really think about it, a lot of us really know what not to eat. Well, no one have to tell us what not to eat. The question is, what are the best foods for you? What are the foods that will allow you to thrive, that will allow you to feel good in your clothes, that will allow you to feel good in your skin again? And these are some of the things that I teach my students in the Chic Cooking Academy, which I will definitely link below this video so you can check that out, and I would love to help you in our next class. So one of the things that I teach my students is how to integrate amazing herbs and spices into your foods, how to really get the most benefit from them, and how to eat in such a way that will allow you to lose weight and to thrive during your menopausal years like a chic woman. That I definitely want to advocate, ladies, is definitely going early, because when you go early,
you're able to keep your stress levels down. And especially now that the country is opening back up and more people are out and about and more people are doing things, more people are shopping at different times during the day. So going back to a new normal, especially the normal that we had pre-COVID, we experienced very elevated hormone imbalances, mood swings because of just people not really being in a good mood and affecting the way our mood was, irritability, decrease in libido, and we definitely don't want that. We want to be in a good mood. We want to make sure that we're having a positive day. In all honesty, it was never really that normal for me because I just felt people were almost at a sort of a breaking point. So going back to a normal the way we were before, we definitely want to make sure that everything that was affecting us, that was causing elevated hormone levels to increase pre-COVID, we definitely want to make sure that if we are experiencing that now, that we're learning to decrease them. We're learning to decrease our mood swings. We're learning to decrease irritability and people that causes irritability in us. And you know it. It doesn't take a lot to identify and understand what exactly sets you off. So we also want to make sure that we're increasing our libido, not decreasing it. And if you're having a lot of stress levels in your life, you would definitely have a decrease in your libido. Tip number 4, experiment when it comes to dining and eating. So spending more than 40% of the time in the kitchen is not something that you want to do. And in all honesty, I don't even encourage that. But in order to come up with nutritious meals and meals that are healthy, meals that would agree with your body, that will allow you to lose weight, meals that would allow you to feel good in your skin again, in order to thrive during menopause as a chic woman, you have to prepare. So if you've liked this video, please leave a comment below and let me know what tip in this video that you're going to be following in yourself, in your life, so that you can thrive during menopause as a chic woman should. My fifth tip that would allow you to thrive during menopause is to prepare. Preparing 2 to 3 days of food in advance. There will be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And in that way, you get it out of the way. You don't have to worry about it. It will allow you to thrive during menopause because now you have homemade, delicious, nutritious food to eat. And in order to really thrive as a chic woman during menopause, you have to recognize the benefits. And the benefits is better health, reduce menopausal symptoms, and also getting slimmer, being able to wear the clothes that you truly want to wear, and feeling good in your skin again, because that's what's really most important. How you feel, how you want to thrive during past 40, past 50, past 60. If you really like this video, I want you to go on and sign up below this video to my masterclass, Chic Women Don't Diet. Look good, feel good, drop the weight, and enjoy your chocolate mousse and wine. So I can't wait to have you inside of my masterclass. And until our next time together, as always, stay beautiful and healthy.